Welcome to refreshnest. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 easy DIY home improvement projects perfect for beginners. These projects are simple, budget-friendly, and can be completed with minimal tools and experience. Let's get started and transform your home with these easy DIY ideas. 1. Paint an accent wall. One of the simplest ways to refresh a room is by painting an accent wall. This project can dramatically change the look and feel of a space with just a few hours of work. Here's how to get started. First, choose the wall you want to accent and pick a color that complements your existing decor. Make sure you have all the necessary supplies, including painter's tape, a paint roller, brushes, a drop cloth, and of course the paint. Begin by cleaning the wall to remove any dust or dirt. Next, use painter's tape to protect the edges of the wall and any adjacent surfaces you don't want to paint. Lay down a drop cloth to protect your floors. Now it's time to start painting. Use a brush to cut in around the edges of the wall. Then switch to a roller for the larger areas. Apply the paint in thin, even coats, allowing each coat to dry completely before applying the next. Depending on the color and the current state of your wall, you may need 2 or 3 coats for full coverage. Once the paint is dry, carefully remove the painter's tape and admire your work. An accent wall can create a stunning focal point in any room, adding depth and personality without a major renovation. 2. Install floating shelves. Floating shelves are a stylish and practical addition to any home. They provide extra storage space and display areas without taking up floor space, making them ideal for small rooms. Here's how to install them. Start by choosing the location for your shelves. Measure the space and mark where you want each shelf to go. Use a level to ensure your marks are straight. Next, gather your supplies. You'll need floating shelf brackets, screws, a drill, a screwdriver, and the shelves themselves. If you're installing shelves on drywall, make sure to use wall anchors for added stability. Begin by drilling pilot holes into the wall at your marked locations. Insert the wall anchors, then attach the brackets to the wall using screws. Make sure the brackets are level and securely fastened. Once the brackets are in place, slide the shelves onto the brackets and secure them according to the manufacturer's instructions. Now you can decorate your new shelves with books, plants, photos, or any other items you want to display. Floating shelves are not only functional but also add a modern touch to any room. 3. Update cabinet hardware. Updating the hardware on your cabinets is a quick and easy way to give your kitchen or bathroom a fresh new look. This project requires minimal tools and can be completed in just a couple of hours. Here's how to do it. First, choose the new hardware for your cabinets. Make sure to measure the existing hardware to ensure the new pieces will fit the same holes, or be prepared to fill and drill new holes if necessary. Gather your supplies, including a screwdriver, a measuring tape, and a template for drilling new holes if needed. Remove the old hardware by unscrewing it from the cabinets. If you're drilling new holes, use the template to mark the locations and drill pilot holes for the screws. Attach the new hardware by aligning it with the holes and securing it with screws. Tighten the screws until the hardware is snug, but be careful not to over-tighten and damage the cabinets. Repeat this process for all the cabinets and drawers. Updating the hardware can dramatically change the appearance of your cabinets, giving your kitchen or bathroom a modern, updated look without the need for a full remodel. 4. Create a gallery wall. A gallery wall is a fantastic way to personalize your space and display your favorite photos, artwork, and mementos. This project is highly customizable and can be as simple or elaborate as you like. Here's how to create your own gallery wall. First, choose the wall you want to transform and gather the frames, photos, and artwork you plan to use. Lay out your pieces on the floor to experiment with different arrangements. Aim for a balanced look, mixing different sizes and orientations. Once you have an arrangement you like, measure the wall space and start marking the placement of each piece. Use painter's tape or paper cutouts to represent each frame and make adjustments until you're happy with the layout. Now it's time to start hanging. Use a level to ensure your frames are straight, and a measuring tape to maintain even spacing between pieces. Depending on the weight of your frames, use nails, picture hooks, or wall anchors to secure them. As you hang each piece, step back to make sure everything looks balanced and straight. Adjust as necessary until your gallery wall is complete. A gallery wall is a beautiful and personal way to decorate your home, showcasing your unique style and memories. Install a backsplash. Installing a backsplash in your kitchen or bathroom can dramatically enhance the look of the space and protect the walls from splashes and spills. This project may seem daunting, but it's quite manageable for beginners with a little patience and the right tools. Here's how to do it. Start by choosing your backsplash material. Peel and stick tiles are a great option for beginners, as they are easy to apply and require no grout or mortar. You'll also need a measuring tape, a level, a utility knife or tile cutter, and a straight edge. Begin by measuring the area where you'll install the backsplash and marking the guidelines on the wall. Make sure the lines are straight and level. If you're using peel and stick tiles, start at the bottom center of the wall and work your way outward and upward. Peel the backing off the first tile and press it firmly into place. Use a level to ensure it's straight. Continue applying the tiles, cutting them to fit around outlets, corners, and edges as needed. For traditional tiles, you'll need to apply a thin layer of adhesive to the wall using a trowel. Then press the tiles into the adhesive. Use tile spacers to maintain even gaps between the tiles, and a level to keep everything straight. Once all the tiles are in place, allow the adhesive to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. If you're using traditional tiles, mix the grout and apply it with a rubber float, pressing it into the gaps between the tiles. Wipe off any excess grout with a damp sponge and let it dry. Installing a backsplash is a great way to add style and functionality to your kitchen or bathroom. It's a relatively simple project that can make a big impact. These 5 easy DIY home improvement projects are perfect for beginners and can significantly enhance the look and feel of your home. Remember, the key to successful DIY is preparation and patience. Take your time, gather your supplies, and enjoy the process of transforming your space. For more home improvement tips and ideas, be sure to subscribe to Refreshnest and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy DIYing!